cleaning ooze off the nozzle just before print. And you still get, well, sometimes still get ooze onto the build plate there, and it's starting off. Getting low on the filament spoon. I have just ordered some. Should be enough to do this model. This is a skirt. I say it tends to be faint on the left and the right. I think there is a small bore in this aluminium sheet, which I have a PEI sheet on top. This is about a 3-hour print, so I will be chopping bits out of this video. I assume you don't want to watch a 3-hour video. This is a back plate that I haven't said for the LVDS. I'll put some details here. Here is one of the previous back plates I printed out, and this section here at the bottom, you might see this line going across here. I designed it and it was too thin, so the main difference here is to make this thicker. Change the holes slightly because some of them were a bit tight on the connectors that come out. But basically it's mainly this section here to make that thicker. See, that's quite thin there. So records that says danger high voltage, might be never came out totally right. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to pause the video just now. That seems to be, well, as good as I can expect. Well, it's 1 hour into this print. As I say, this is the back plate of the low voltage differential signaling device, what it is. I'll put some details about that here. 2.5 hours into this print now. Actually, this is another print. I've had to restart. I got about an hour through the other print. It was coming out okay, but then the feeding mechanism the stepper started making a chugging noise. And what I found is that I had to unplug the connector on the ramps board and plug it back in. That's all I had to do. Nobody had moved the wires or touched the wires. It was, as I say, got a good hour into the print of the same model, and it just started doing it by itself. So all I did is unplug the 4-pin connector for the extruder, plug it back in, and so far as I can tell, it started that extruder turning okay basically. So it was like juddering backwards and forwards, the extruder stepper. So I had to stop the print and then I've restarted again. Three and a half hours. Let's have a look at the bar graph, because the bar graph now has moved quite far now over the last hour or so. You see there, nearly enough 3.5 hours. And there we are, it's finished. Bit of endos there. Oh, there we are. I've just slid this into here, and basically one of the other differences is this hole is a bit bigger to allow for like the shoulders on the power plug. But the main difference is the thickness down here. Let's have a look at the previous one. So the previous one was quite thin, like down here. So that's probably the main difference. Some minor tweaks in the holes a bit to line up a bit better. The plugs. I'll show you the buttons. So as I say, this board just slides in, and the flat edges on the buttons now can go against, well, towards some of the standoffs like this, and like this one, so they're not going to catch on the standoffs. I need to print out another main box, but I don't think I'll have enough filament left to do that until I get some more filament. Yep, it's a little bit, well, as I say, down here it's almost double the thickness along here. Danger high voltage. I believe they're about 90 volts, these units, something like that. That's my belief. Turn that as high voltage. Okay, so the main box needs doing. And then I need to extend the wires. The wires for going to the monitor that come with this, and the high voltage 2-wire unit. Those wires are not going to be long enough if they use with a box like this.